little succulent garden going on. You can kind of see the water propagation. Because maybe you can probably, no, you can barely see it. But yeah, I accidentally teared a bigger hole for this one, so that's why there's this tape over there. But you can see the roots growing on this one. But yeah, in a couple days I'll go and have this taken out. This one, I think it's starting to. See, you can kind of see. Looks like we get some roots. Maybe go at the bottom. So yeah, these are just more. As you can see, these are more little propagations that are going on. And there's actually 3 different kinds. This one, I should tub it away. These, there you go. These ones were actually done by cuttings. And I didn't allow anything to callus over, so I just kind of stuck it in. As you can see, this little one. It's already starting to grow. Sorry about that. Some roots. Oop, there you go. So you can see that one's growing. That one, I believe, has roots, and you can see on this one, seriously, there are roots growing. This one was done by the traditional method, which is you let the seed callus over. I mean, you let the leaf callus over, and then you just do the daily water. Little squirt bottle, you squirt the surface, and then you can see how it's growing. I would show you, but the roots on this one are already going down. This one was done by water propagation. Now this is my first one, but I'm not sure we can show you some of the. There you go, it's got roots going on. I just kind of stuck it in the ground, but it looks like there's growing more bulbs. So that's pretty cool, I think. Traditional water propagation and cuttings. Oh, you can kind of see the roots. Yeah. 3 different methods, 3 different ways, and you get 3 different results. And this is just a little container I'm just holding these into, as you can see. Alrighty. There'll be more little garden update because I gotta focus on my aloe plants. Okay, so there's more of my succulent garden. As you can see, got a little Grim Reaper. Can't tell. This is Grim's garden, because why not? But yeah, you can see I've got a lot more. The traditional propagation actually came from this plant. So, yeah, from this plant here. I gotta write down the names so I can know what they are. Wow, that's really bright. The cuttings came from this plant. This pretty baby here. And the water propagation is currently going from this plant here. Very tall, you can't tell. But as you can see my aloe plant here. When I got this plant from Giant. And already you kind of see it's not doing too well. And when I went and took it out as a furniture pot plant, there was only a mini pot seed, mini little plant growing in there, so it started propagating on its own, but you can see it's starting to curl. Some parts are still healthy. Same thing with this one. Almost tell. Sorry. See the little. So it's got a little green up there. I think it's a mixture of two different things. I think downstairs, where I have it set, is pretty cold, whereas upstairs is really warm. But with these plants, they seem to be doing fine. But I'm gonna swap. And with this plant, I'm gonna rearrange this one to be in the center. And I'm gonna take this one out and put it into this pot here, where it originally came from. Gotta get a little preparation for that one. Good drainage. It's a little drainage pot that came with it. And bring it upstairs and try to see if that'll do better, as well as that. Maybe try watering a little more often. Instead of watering once a month and maybe be underwatered. That's a possibility, but we'll see. So that's what I'm going to do. I was thinking of taking maybe this taller plant out and replacing with this one here, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do that. I got to clear out some stuff. Okay, so I just went and repotted these, well, this one, and you can kind of see a little better in the light. See that the base, you can see it's still a little green, whereas the rest is just kind of dark. So, like I said, up here is a little more warmer, new soil. But yeah. Oh, I'll try and see how this may work, and like I showed on the little one, barely see it. Yeah, there, it's right there. The lighting is terrible. There we go. So you can see that this is actually a little baby plant from this one. And yeah, it used to be a really like dark green plant, and now it's kind of more brown. So yeah, upstairs is warmer. So we keep these upstairs and see how they'll do in the next couple weeks. Yeah, we shall see. Okay, so I just want to take a note that when I first recorded this video, it was done on Sunday, and today is Wednesday, the 30th. And already you can see this aloe plant's doing much more better. So you got more green. Last time these were just kind of curled up, were turning brown, but you can see on the ends it's still a little brown, but now it's more lush, more green, much more better. And same thing over here, this one, our plant looks like there's more green. So yeah, my issue might have been, it was just too cold. And as a result, they were just turning brown, trying to preserve heat. So my issue might have was it was just too cold downstairs. I think by the end of the week, they'll be more green.